Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be doing another unbox and review video. And since Man of the Wasp is out, it's going to be out, and I'm going to be doing the main bad guy of the end of the first Loki season, and the bad guy in some of the MCU movies. I'm going to be doing He Who Remains, also known as Kang the Conqueror here. Yeah, and he also is the one who made the TVA in the MCU, here to maintain the flow of the sacred timeline. And it says build a video, which is Konoshu, which is the big guy with a bird skull head from one of the other Disney Plus series. He is Moonlight. You can see he has an upper hand, like when he debuted in Loki Season 1, Episode 6. You can see at the top, the left corner right here, it has the words Disney Plus on it. And here's the side of the box. You can see that Koshu character. And here's the names of the other Marvel Legends and characters. And that has different parts of Koshu. And you need to get all of these characters to build this big dude right here. And here's the back of the box, and right here shows the head in, and shows him having his elbow right there, and kind of putting his hands together right there. And now it's open up the box here, and we do a little bit more in depth of her claim her Conqueror here. Here's so you can see what he looks like. I'm just trying to figure out how to get this open. There we go. Try that a little bit. And right here. And you can see there's the word Loki. And that's where that came first debuted. And then he makes his first appearance on the big screen. And when he shows up in Man of the Wasp of Quantumania. And here's the green apple that Kang is eating in the end of the first season of Loki. When he met both Loki and Sylvie. And here's a commercial who's head. It kind of looks a little bit creepy right here. You can tell it kind of looks like a bird. And some kind of vulture or something, because you can tell by the way his beak is shaped right here. along with the shape of his head. And he is He Who Remains, also known as Kang the Conqueror, and his purple jacket is kind of wobbly, and he can move his hands right here and his arms. I'm not sure what he does yet because I haven't seen him in his full strength yet. You only see what he does so far in the first his Loki season, and with his royal 10-part thing right here. And he's got some green pants and a royal chest plate thing right there. And he's got some sleeves because it's like a coat type of thing. And this is about it for today's about Austin review. Hit like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos are coming out soon. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. And peace.